Hello, my name is Sanjog Somekant. I'm from Odisha. I've completed my graduation in 2009. Then I joined as a sales executive officer to sales assistant manager in several insurance companies. Then I joined as a CCTV supervisor also in a security company. Then I pursued my SAP SD program in Henry Harvin education in 2023, having my counselor as Subhankar Pathak. While I was pursuing this course, I gained the comprehensive knowledge about the SAP SD module and the integration between the SAP SD module and the other modules like MM and FI. Even I gained the basics knowledge of enterprise structure to billing, pricing, sales order processing, and all. If I talk about the teaching style, it was amazing. The faculties and the trainers are really amazing. They are always with us, even after the classes. Um, Talking about the support system also, they have been always with us now. It's been 2 years and still in contact with my counselor Subhankar. So thank you, Subhankar, for helping me a lot. Yeah.